In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view cart in UNIQLO. We'll go through two simple ways to open your cart on the UNIQLO website so you can quickly review what you've picked before checking out. I'll keep it straightforward and I'll add a few helpful tips along the way. First, open your web browser and go to the official UNIQLO site. When the homepage loads, give it a second to finish loading images and menus so everything is in place. From here, you can view your cart directly without leaving the page. Look toward the top right corner of the site for the cart icon. It often looks like a shopping bag. Click that icon. As soon as you do, you'll be taken to the cart page where you can see all the items you've added. This page shows product names, selected colors and sizes, quantities, and pricing. It's a great place to confirm that your selections are correct, especially if you've been browsing for a while and want a quick overview. There's also another quick way to view your cart, especially handy if you're in the middle of shopping. Start from the home page and browse the product categories or featured collections. When you find an item you like, click it to open the product page. Here, select your preferred size, choose a color if multiple options are available, and set the quantity you want. Make sure the size you want is available. If a size is grayed out, it typically means it's out of stock. Once your selections are set, click Add to Cart. Right after adding, you'll see a confirmation area appear with a View Cart button. Click View Cart to jump straight to your cart page. This is especially useful if you want to immediately verify that the right size and color were added. Both methods lead to the same cart page, so use whichever fits where you are in your browsing. If you're exploring the site and just added something, the View Cart button is the fastest route. If you're on the home page or any page with the top navigation visible, the cart icon gets you there in one click. Once you're in the cart, you're set to review your selections and make sure everything looks good before you proceed. That's it. Two quick ways to view your cart in UNIQLO. Try them the next time you shop, so you always know exactly what's in your bag.